Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right.
I love you much.
I'm very proud of this batch. Because you were the ones who made it to that, at least, I do not know if we rank second or third, if not the first, because you have this 98.65% passing in OCA.
I love you much.
And you just had your recollection. Sabi ni Father, napakababait ninyo. You are one of the best batches. Mababait. And I was talking with the dorm managers yesterday, sabi nila, wala naman masyadong problema sa batch ninyo. Kasi isa kayo sa pinakamabait na batch.
I love you much.
Hi, batch. Salamat sa apat na taong kakasama tayo sa Isay. Tapos, thank you kasi kahit hindi tayo kakasunod lahat. Magkakasama pa rin tayo sa ends. At sana po, kahit pag-graduate natin ng high school, tapos magpapakita tayo, close friends na. Ingat kayo much. Bye-bye.
I love you much.
So, we only hope for the best for your success in your career. Do not forget to come back to your school. Nandito lang kami. Some of you can still text our teachers regarding your assignments. Other batches are doing that. The teachers are always ready to help you. There might be times na matatanda na kami and physical features may change, but still nandun yung katakisay ninyo. Pag hindi na namin kayo nakikilala, kayo na lang magkalabit sa amin. Na uwi kami po Pisay, ako po si ganito, ako po si ganito, though we cannot remember anymore that. Pwede hindi namin ma-remember yung face. But basta once Pisay, naka-etch ang names ninyo sa amin. Okay, good luck. Sana lahat makagraduate with all honors. Lahat naman talaga may honors. With high honors and highest honors. Walang maiwan sa batch. Okay? So, that's all.